In the oceans of confusion, there's a tower like Saruman's tower in the Lord of the Rings. It's very high up and it casts the light out so that people think, is that my Lord? Do I take guidance from that and as a result follow in the direction and in the deception of where that light will lead humanity? That the light of guidance for Prophet is immense, is superior. There is no light Allah has created like the light of Muhammadun Rasulullah. Allah's ahadiyya and Prophet wahidiyya. That the oneness of the light and uniqueness of Allah there's nothing like it. But Allah gave that love and made Prophet to be wahid. That light of Prophet is the light for all the souls who now are on an ocean heading for destruction. You visualize like immense storms are coming and everyone was taking their life thinking they know the course. They'll do this, they'll buy this, they'll get this, they'll retire to this and it'll be finished. But now every day they look and they say, no, it's not like that. Their stocks have all collapsed. All their pensions and retirements are gone, mortgages skyrocketing, food is impossible to buy. Everything the dunya people thought were pillars of calmness no longer exists.